What's going on, my people? What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. You already know what time it is, man. So we back in action again, man. So right now, man, as you can see in the title, man, I'm finna take the SS to go get tuned finally. You know, put the new Holly on there, and after a little small test drive, man, it's like bluttering, all kind of little stuff, man. So this time, instead of me tuning it, I want to actually take it to somebody that's known in the racing world. Let somebody else tune it, so that way I can get, you know what I mean, full effect of what's going on with the SS, you did. So we heading right now out to Hot Rod Kutdacheck shop, Speed Shop South, and we're gonna let them do it, you did. We're gonna let them do it. So hopefully, man, they're gonna be able to, you know, get everything situated with it, and we're gonna be riding in, you did. So stay tuned, man. But before we get moving up this road, you already know what you gotta do for your boy. You gotta like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Definitely smash that notification bell, man. That way you can stay alert to all the new drops, you did. Oh, it's back there. Yeah, it's back there. So be right back, you did. All right, man. So we here, you did. So let's see what's to it. Coming up through. What's up, man?
Get around the truck too.
You doing good, man? Man, come on, man. What's going on, man? Why you living?
I'm really pescatarian. But what I did was, this weekend I was drinking a whole bunch of soda.
I bet you was.
We had a little cooler full of Sprites and Cokes. I don't drink too much.
Man, damn, that motherfucker look good. That's what I needed. Bro, man, I need you to, bro, this shit get on my nerves. This motherfucker headache.
Man, let's get you right, man.
This motherfucker headache. All right, man, so. All right, y'all, I'm gonna tap back in. Hold tight. Man, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Y'all, I missed all the footage. You know what I mean? I missed the footage of hot up under the hood, man, getting everything tuned up. But we back, and best believe, oh, we're tuned up. We're tuned up. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, I'm happy with it. I'm pleased with it, man. So we're gonna get this thing out the trailer. And, you know what I mean? I'm probably just gonna give y'all a little footage of me, you know, driving that thing a little bit, man, after this, man. So yeah, woo, you know what I'm saying? I'm overly excited, overly happy about it, you did. drop of a dime too, man. Next day, 2 days. Yeah, next day, 2 days. 2 days later. Dang. Let me see. I can't remember. The date is Wednesday. Nah, 2 days later, man. Hey. Hot Kutdacheck. They hey man, hey, that deal. I ain't got no complaints. You know what I mean? And I tuned it up. The fire up, I started up yesterday, man. It's fired up right on the dime. I'm gonna do that right now. I ain't fired it up today at all. And I wanna get these push clips in, or these they call them weather stripping clips. I put a couple of them in on this side, but I can't get over there and get the back one in on this side, so I need to go ahead and pull it out real quick. So let y'all see, man, what's to it on the fire up. I mean, I don't got no exhaust smell no more. The fire up right on the dime. The rod is perfect. You know what I mean? And it get down a little bit too. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm excited. I'm overly excited. I can't wait to pull it out and actually wash it. I don't have no time on my hand right now to do so, but I will eventually. Hopefully I can get to it this weekend. So you can see, man, it's down at the bottom. No cap. You know what I mean? Down at the bottom. This cluster start at 100 degrees, so You don't go no lower than that. Right on the dime, you did. PSI stupid high. That's how you know. Still got a little bit of stuff I need to do, man. First, I need to get back in here and vacuum all this carpet and stuff out. I got to do that, put everything back together. But like, for instance, I gotta finish this up. All this I got new, what do you call it? The sun visor, got that brand new. And I do the same thing on this one over there. What else I got? I got to get these windows adjusted. I'm gonna do that. Hopefully, I can get to it this weekend. As you can tell, it's high over here, but then there's a gap back there. You see it? Got to get that adjusted. Same thing over here. Got to get this side adjusted. I got all the door handles and stuff. I got to take these panels back off to put the clips on there the way they're supposed to be. And then I got to take them off anyways to get that window, get the windows. So, but yeah, man. Right on the dime, fire up, man. I can't ask for a better. Can't ask for a better, and then the response on it is way better, man. Way better. I got all this over here too. I got to put all this stuff back on, man. Painted up everything, and then kind of tucked it away, and never came back and finished it. What else? What else? Oh, the covers that go on the edge of these. Got to put them back on. So we're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it. You did. Shots out the hot. Over there at Speed Shop South, Kutdacheck. Look, hey man, they got my vote. Yeah, I mean, and we're making some plans for the whip, some things I want to do to it, and all of that. I'm gonna tell you now, it's coming out of that shop. I'm gonna do everything else out that shop. So, hey man, stay tuned to that. You did. So let me go and get these little clips. So these are the little clips I'm talking about. Right on the edge here. These little black clips. I put this one on. I'll put this one on because this was stopping. These were stopping the doors from closing the way they're supposed to. Same thing back here. I put that one on, and there's two that go over here. Put them on. So, what I do with that little pouch? I think I put it on the other side. We gotta do the other side. Do the other side real quick, man. My baby dirty. Let's get that stuff up on there, man. Time to get that thing washed, man. We gotta get back to this. Got to get back to the Malibu. And so, still gotta put this radiator in. Put the fan, new fans in. We're gonna do all that in here. And take these out. Take that fan, not that fan, but take that radiator out, and we're gonna put on the other. Put it on the Malibu. Yeah, I gotta wash this car, man. Wash them all up. So let's see what's to this one over here. This one already had one there. I put this one in already, and then this one got a screw in it, so that one's good. So it's literally just this one left. So I'm gonna put this in. us to it. Ooh, am I gonna be able to? That's gonna suck there. I already had one in it, but that's gonna suck. Cause I think it low key ripped. Yeah, that's decent enough right there. That should be decent. There. So yeah, we should be solid now. The door should close pretty good.